Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 1998 Honda Shadow Spirit 1100. This is a nice big 1100cc twin liquid cooled cruiser. Beautiful black and cream colored two-tone paint. Two brand new tires on this bike, only 24,000 miles. Passenger backrest, $24.99. Make your motorcycle dreams come true for this low price, $24.99. We just checked it out in our service department. Everything's working beautifully. Shaft drive, no chain to mess with. Probably should think about a cash purchase on this. Might be hard to get financing on a 98. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Starts just like a Honda. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.